How to enable or disable multicam editing in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, load your project where you want to work with multicam editing. Then, head to the edit page and import the clips into the media pool. To enable multicam editing, right-click on your media pool by selecting the clips and select Create new multicam clip using selected clips. Then click Create. This will combine your selected clips into one multicam clip that you can switch between easily. Once the multicam clip is created, drag it onto your timeline. To toggle the camera angle, you can use the keyboard shortcuts Alt+1 for camera angle 1, Alt+2 for camera angle 2, and so on. This allows you to view all angles simultaneously and switch between them in real time while playing the timeline. If you want to disable multicam editing temporarily, simply press the D key on your keyboard to deactivate it. To permanently disable it, select the clip and press the delete key. You will find all the clips in the folder named Original Clips in the media pool. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable multicam editing in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.